That's when you know you cheat.
You can hear me. I'm about to show you guys the aftermath of a audio breakdown.
I will encourage it on. I was bad
Every time I'm in the street, I hear yak, 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 yak. But the stress that weighing on your brain, it was me on boogie, yeah, right, lucky right now, rosemary got ugly, waving your hand out the window, check yourself on, to get killed, seen a light-skinned nigga with his brains blown out, at the same purpose there with same gout. Now this is not a tape recorder saying that he did it, but ever since the day I was looking at him different, that was that's what mama said when we was eating every lunch. All day, goddamn, all hell broke loose. You killed my cousin back in '94. Fuck your truce. Now crawl your head. Just piece of beans up to breathe rules. Bodies on top of bodies. Ivy's on top of Ivy's. Obviously the coroner between the sheets like the Aussies. When you hop on the
There's a bunch of good videos of this going to be flying around. Crazy. Crazy, man. Crazy.
No, everybody knows I'm crazy. That sounds crazy.
That's crazy.
I own that shit.
Crazy.
Give me a couple years.
Why are you pointing at me?
Crazy.
What's that got to do with that?
Like you.
Oh no, everybody knows I'm fucking crazy. That ain't nothing new, Arrow.
I knew you was crazy.
But he's nothing.
She's just hit the tip of the iceberg so far, so.
He knows that I'll go all karate ninja on his ass.
She hasn't seen me in full mid-season mode.
I'm not talking that kind of crazy. It's a little different crazy.
So why?
Especially kind of crazy.
That's right.
All that.
So she'll find out come right around June 8th,
Fine, 'cause I
June
mean,
9th.
That's fine. You know why? Because then I get to fucking house my damn self. Be gone.
Oh, no.
Gone. Peace out.
No, that's
gotta go.
Slam. Yeah.
Oh, for Slam? Oh yeah, I'll be there. Oh yeah, I'll be there. Vato'll be there.
He's the little guy there. Big. bills there.
Buses.
Daryl's gonna make me go viral with my hair.